The boys slowly opening the treasure chest, anticipation on their faces. Inside the chest, a letter and a few antique coins, no gold. Humza reading the letter aloud, Ollie listening carefully. A flashback image within the letter showing old explorers working together. The boys reacting with surprise, then deep thought. They sit down together, realizing the meaning of the message. Ollie pats Humza on the back, smiling in appreciation. They laugh about the adventure and how far they've come. The boys take one last look at the island before packing up. They gently place the letter and coins in their bag. As they walk back, the monkey waves goodbye. They push the boat into the water and hop in. The island fades into the distance behind them. A peaceful sea as they sail home, sunset in the background. They arrive back at the village dock, tired but happy. The boys returning to their homes with smiles on their faces. Ollie showing the letter to his little sister, she looks amazed. Humza's parents listening as he tells the story proudly. The boys preparing a presentation for school. Classroom scene where Ollie and Humza stand in front of classmates. They show the antique coins and read the letter aloud. Classmates clapping and cheering, inspired expressions. The teacher smiling and nodding in approval. The boys hanging the map on a classroom wall for everyone to see. Friends gathering around them asking questions. The boys walking home together, talking and laughing. A sunset shot of the boys on the beach, silhouettes against the waves. The treasure chest rests, empty but meaningful. A quote from the letter written in the sand, the true treasure is friendship. Ollie and Humza high-fiving with smiles, title overlay the Lost Treasure Island. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.